How to disable comments on your post notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable comments on your post notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud and here you will find library, click on it and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and here you will find settings and then click notifications and scroll down until you find this one, comment on your post. And if you want to disable it, all you need to do is just click on it, one click, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.